Hello and welcome. Yes, I'm here in the Rivian R1T and it is Leather Protection Day. What I'm using is a product called Leather Shield. I got it on Amazon. The link should be down below. I've done this on all my vehicles, my Teslas, my Ford Lightning, and now the Rivian. I'll go ahead and speed it up as I go. There's no use watching me do everything. Essentially, I take a few drops of the Leather Shield, which is a ceramic-based product. Here's what we use to spread it. It comes with an applicator, and it comes with a chamois cloth, okay? You put it on the applicator by holding it. You sprinkle a few drops, and you rub it all over on all of the surfaces. So we'll get to that. I'll speed this up so you don't have to get bored. You might want a little popcorn or something. The lid is off. I'm going to put a few drops on here just as soon as I get the chamois and the applicator confirmed to be one piece like that. Put a few drops. Don't go crazy because you will add more as time goes. Okay, a few drops. You start by rubbing the surface. You want a good even coat, and that's what we'll be doing. The applicator has a sponge part, which allows it to model with whatever surface you're going over. I cover all of the exposed surfaces, even in the crack here. And we're going to do a couple coats. Every surface you can get a hold of so you don't get your sodas or drinks or whatever else on them, and you're good. And the little handhold here. Okay. Armrest is complete. Let's get to the rest of this.
Two.
It's almost 6:30, and first coat of the ceramic on the seats. It's all dried. So I'm going to go ahead and set up, and I'm going to put a second coat on the front two seats and the center console thing. That completes first and second coats here in the front seats and the center console. I even did the dashboard. And I think we're good. We'll let it dry overnight and we'll be ready to get in the vehicle and do our thing. The ceramic Leather Shield is done. Put a coat here on the back, as you can see, nice even. It does not affect the feel of the seats at all. Might feel a little slick at first, but my experience here with the Tesla and all the other vehicles is it does not. I did put 2 coats on the 2 front seats. I also put a coat here up on this same material on the dash. And on here I put 2 coats. So we're good. I think the application of the leather shield was successful. If you liked today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. Don't forget, please use my referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen. It will give them points they can use in the store for just about anything. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.